I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, your radio lesson for real Korean moments.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. 코리안 라더에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호입니다. 오늘은 보낸 문자를 확인했는지 자연스럽게 물어볼게요.
Here's my real life panic. I sent a Korean text and now I want to ask, did you see it? Without sounding pushy.
좋은 질문이에요. A simple, polite follow-up is 문자 보냈어요? 확인하셨어요? It means I sent a text. Did you check it?
Today's pattern has two short parts. 보냈어요? I sent it. And 확인하셨어요? Did you check it respectfully?
So, I don't need a long sentence. I can just say, 문자 보냈어요. 확인하셨어요.
맞아요. 문자 means a text message. 보냈어요 means sent. Together, 문자 보냈어요 means I sent a text.
확인하다 means to check or confirm. 확인하셨어요? Is the respectful, polite past question. Did you check it?
Listen to the natural rhythm. 문자 보냈어요. 확인하셨어요? The first sentence gives context, and the second asks gently.
Native example 1. 문자 보냈어요. 확인하셨어요? This is polite and direct.
Native example 2. 카톡 보냈어요. 확인하셨어요? 카톡 is a Kakao Talk message, very common in Korea.
Native example 3. 이메일 보냈어요. 확인하셨어요? You can swap the message type. 문자, 카톡, 이메일.
I notice you're not saying the word you after. 확인하셨어요. Is that normal?
네, 아주 자연스러워요. Korean often drops you, I, and it when the context is clear. 확인하셨어요? Already sounds like did you check it?
And the C sound inside 하셨어요. Makes it respectful. 확인했어요? Is plain, polite. 확인하셨어요? Is more respectful to the other person.
So, if I'm asking my professor, 확인하셨어요, is safer than 확인했어요.
맞아요. For friends, 확인했어? Can be okay, but today we practice polite A1 lines. 확인하셨어요?
One more useful line. 다시 보내드릴까요? It means, shall I send it again? 드릴까요? Makes it polite and helpful.
You can use it after the person says they did not get it, or maybe they missed it. 다시 보내드릴까요?
Okay, I'm hearing a mini flow. I sent it. Did you check it? And if needed, shall I send it again?
Now let's hear a short dialogue. Listen for 문자 보냈어요. 확인하셨어요? And 다시 보내드릴까요?
준호 씨, 문자 보냈어요. 확인하셨어요?
아직 못 봤어요.
괜찮아요. 다시 보내드릴까요?
네, 부탁드려요.
I understood. 아직 못 봤어요. As I haven't seen it yet. That sounds useful.
맞아요. 아직 means yet, and 못 봤어요 means could not see it or haven't seen it. In chat context, it means I haven't checked it yet.
부탁드려요 means please do that for me. Respectfully. 네, 부탁드려요. It's a very natural yes. Please.
Repeat after me. 문자 보냈어요?
문자 보냈어요.
좋아요. 보냈어요 has net in the middle. Don't stretch it too much. 문자 보냈어요.
Now repeat. 확인하셨어요?
확인하셨어요.
좋습니다. Make the question rise gently at the end. 확인하셨어요? Not too dramatic.
Now the full line. 문자 보냈어요. 확인하셨어요?
문자 보냈어요. 확인하셨어요.
완벽해요. That is a very usable, polite follow-up.
Common mistake time. Can I say, 당신은 제 문자를 확인했어요. It feels like, did you check my text?
Grammatically, that sentence can be understood, but it sounds translated and sometimes too direct. 당신 is usually not needed here.
Natural Korean uses context. Say 문자 보냈어요. 확인하셨어요? It is softer, clearer, and more Korean.
So instead of naming every piece, I set the context with 문자 보냈어요. Then ask, 확인하셨어요?
Exactly. 어서 확인하셨어요? sounds more respectful than 확인했어요. Use it when you want to be safe and polite.
Quiz time. You sent a message to your Korean teacher yesterday. Which follow-up sounds the most natural and polite?
I'm picking A because B sounds too translated and C sounds too casual for a teacher.
정답은 A예요. 문자 보냈어요. 확인하셨어요? It gives context, drops unnecessary pronouns, and uses respectful. 확인하셨어요.
B is understandable. But 당신은 제 문자를 확인했어요? Can sound stiff or too direct. C 문자 봤어? is for close friends, not your teacher.
Second check. Your friend says 아직 못 봤어요. What is the most helpful next line?
A. 다시 보내드릴까요? Because they haven't seen it yet, so I can offer to send it again.
맞아요. 다시 보내드릴까요? means shall I send it again? It moves the conversation forward kindly. 정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 문자 보냈어요 means I sent a text. Use it to give clear context before your question.
둘째, 확인하셨어요. means did you check it? The she inside 하셨어요. makes it respectful, so it is safe with teachers, staff, and clients.
셋째, 대명사는 보통 생략해요. In English we say you and my, but in Korean if the situation is clear, leave them out.
넷째, 다시 보내드릴까요? It means shall I send it again? Use it when the other person says 아직 못 봤어요. I haven't seen it yet.
My keeper sentence is 문자 보냈어요. 확인하셨어요. I can actually use that today.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 문자 보냈어요. 확인하셨어요? Remember this one sentence and you can follow up politely.
다음 시간에는 다시 연락드릴게요. I'll contact you again 를 연습할게요. 코리안 라들에서 또 만나요.